Stop by and take a look at the 2011 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, one owner, 4-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.